United Nations Organization. The UNO is an association of sovereign states who have bound themselves by a charter to maintain international peace and security. It is world's largest international organization, a successor to the League of Nations. Evolution of UNO. During the World War II, a meeting was held between Franklin D. Roosevelt, President of United States, and Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of Britain. When the thought of UNO first evolved and resulted in phrasing of the Atlantic Charter, which contained a set principles for world peace and cooperation among nations. In October 1943, these leaders met again in Tehran, this time along with Joseph Stalin, Prime Minister of Russia, and agreed in principle on the need for an effective medium to maintain international peace. The name United Nations was adopted at the suggestion of President Roosevelt. Charter of UNO. The charter, that is Constitution of UNO, was formed in October 1944 at the Dumbarton Oaks, Washington, D.C. conference by the former Soviet Union, United Kingdom, United States of America, and China. The preamble of the charter was the work of Field Marshal Smuts. The signing of UN Charter. On June 26, 1945, the United Nations Charter was signed by the delegates of 50 countries at San Francisco, USA, with the aim of saving the succeeding generations from the scourge of war. Foundation Day of UNO. The UNO formally came into existence on October 24, 1945, when the governments of China, France, the United Kingdom, the former Soviet Union, the United States, and a majority of the other states ratified the UN Charter. October 24th is celebrated as the United Nations Day throughout the world. First regular session of UNO. The first regular session of UNO was held in London in January 1946, and Trygve Lie from Norway was elected the first General Secretary of UNO. Headquarters of UNO. It is located at First Avenue, UN Plaza, New York City, NY, United States of America. The headquarters of UNO stands on a 17-acre tract of land donated by John D. Rockefeller on Manhattan Island, a suburb of New York. There are 30 stories which can house about 8,000 workers. The UN flag. The UN General Assembly adopted the UN flag on October 20th, 1947. The white UN emblem is superimposed on a light blue background. The emblem consists of the global map projected from the North Pole and embraced in twin olive branches, that is symbol of peace. The UN flag is not to be subordinated to any other flag in the world. Membership of the UNO. The membership is open to all peace-loving states which accept the obligations of the UN Charter and are able and willing to carry them out. Admission of new members. New members are admitted to the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council, and two-thirds of the members of the General Assembly should vote in favor. Members are expelled or suspended in the same manner. There are 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council: China, France, Russia, UK, and USA. Each permanent member enjoys the power of veto. If any of the permanent members reject the proposal by exercising its veto, the proposal is rejected by the Council, even though the other 4 members may favor the same. Non-members of UNO. The nations that are not members of the UNO: Taiwan. Organizations of the UNO. The principal bodies of the UNO are: first, the General Assembly; second, the Security Council; third, the Economic and Social Council; fourth, the International Court of Justice; fifth, Trusteeship Council; sixth, Secretariat. Later on, we will discuss more about UNO. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe